Oh shit. My queen's dead. Oh no. There's heaps of varroa mites dead in the bottom too, so the treatment's been successful. Oh man. So this is all I've got left. Okay, that's something, isn't it? Okay. Right. So I've got a small handful of bees left, but I have no queen. Rest in peace, Your Highness, and thank you for your service. Damn. It was going so well. So I've had to give the queen a funeral, but what I'm going to have to do now is just quickly look through this hive, because as you just saw, there's a very small number of bees left, so the hive's not quite dead yet. That's the key word, yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check through both these boxes and just see if there's any eggs or larvae. I don't know when she's obviously passed away within the last 2 weeks, 17 days. I don't know. So I'm going to look through these 2 boxes. I'm going to see if there's any eggs or larvae, preferably eggs, because these bees will raise a new queen themselves. So if there's eggs in there or larvae, I'm going to let them do that. I'm going to give them some time and see how we go. And because there's only a small number of bees as well, I'll probably condense these 2 boxes together so there's less space for them to have to keep warm. That's kind of where I'm at with it at the moment. So we'll do a quick check and see if we can either find some eggs to let them raise a new queen, or if I have to physically introduce a new queen to the hive. Oh dear. Anything else want to go wrong today? Crikey. Right, so let's see if we've got any eggs or larvae down here. Okay, that's an empty frame. Honey stores. So on the bottom board, as you can see, there's been a lot of lost bees. Found the queen about here. And there's not a lot of them, but there are some varroa mites there. So the treatment, I believe, has been successful. Oh, it's just gut-wrenching, isn't it? We'll check this other box and just see if there's anything in there. Otherwise, I have to find a new queen. There's definitely heaps of food in there. It's not looking promising. The good news is that they've got plenty of food in here. It's going to be very careful with them. Because these are my last surviving girls and I don't want to lose them. See, there is some brood in some of these that are not alive. And brood that's tried emerging that has died mid-emerge. There's no sign of American foul brood though. I've done a wee test on it. Yeah. As I suspected, there is absolutely zero brood or eggs in there, which tells me that the queen has passed away very, very early into the piece. Okay, so there's 4 frames that aren't really worth putting back in because they don't have a lot on them. So let's give these girls a fighting chance. And chuck some of these honey-bound frames in as well. Alright girls, we'll find you a new queen. Oh dear, what a day. So as you can see now, I've downsized the hive to just one brood box, and that's just full of food for them. There's no eggs and there's no brood, no larvae, nothing, which tells me the queen has passed in the last, well, 2 weeks, yeah. So what I'm going to have to do is source a new queen, because without anything for the bees to feed, they're not going to be able to raise their own queen. And of course, I don't want to risk them deciding to move out or the rest of them dying as well. So downsize the hive. And the ones that are in there seem okay. But at least they've got something to eat until I can get a new queen in there for them. I don't know how long it's going to take me to do that. So yeah, not a great day, really, finding out that the queen has passed. The lid came off my smoker. The worst part is that it comes in threes. I think I found the third thing. I've managed to bog the car down. Okay, so that was fun getting that out. But you know what, that's nothing compared to running over my goddamn smoker! Oh, you've got to laugh, haven't you? I've had enough of this episode.